friends. I am Dayanand Nene from Alert Citizens Forum of India, and I welcome you all to the second episode of our awareness campaign, Say No to Drugs. In this campaign, friends, we are talking about the drug menace which is prevalent in today's society. And in this second segment, we shall be looking at the symptoms which parents should look out for in their child or ward, and keep a hawk eye as to whether the child is going astray or whether he is in bad company. What are the symptoms that a person is getting addicted to drugs? Let's have a look at those. If your child, boy or girl, suddenly develops some problems in his school life or college life or at his workplace also, he starts missing lectures, bunking lectures, avoids going to school or college, starts showing disinterest in the school or college curriculum activities, or if there is a sudden and inexplicable drop in his performance levels, this is one of the signs that parents should be looking for, and it is a cause of concern. The second sign is if he develops physical health issues, sudden lack of energy, weight loss, lack of motivation to do anything, red eyes. This is a second sign that the child is having some problems with his lifestyle, and parents should be very, very alert to such signals. Then the child or the boy or girl suddenly starts neglecting his appearance. He starts keeping a haggard look, avoids taking bath every day. His hair is unkempt. The stubble, if he is a boy, grows. He or she develops dark circles below his eyes. They don't care about what clothes they are wearing and show sudden disinterest in everything around them. This is another signal which the parents should look at. Then there is a sudden change in his behavior. The boy or girl starts getting irritated at the drop of the hat. They start getting angry for no reason, no rhyme or reason. They become very secretive as to what they are doing. They lock themselves up in a room. They don't let you enter the room. If you touch their things, they immediately get annoyed and shout back at you, "Don't touch my things." They start isolating themselves. And if you question them, they start giving evasive answers. Then suddenly they develop some money issues. They start asking for additional money without any reason from you. They start borrowing if you don't give them money. And if they cannot borrow money, they start stealing in the house. Sometimes desperation drives them to start selling off things and items, starting from their watch, then utensils, then certain expensive things in the house. They start selling out those things to raise money. These are very dangerous signals which give a clear indication that the boy or the girl has a problem, and the problem could be related to drugs. Then they start looking drowsy at any point of the day. Their speech gets slurred. There is a lack of coordination in their activity. A lot of tentativeness creeps in their approach. They have memory problems. They don't remember things which are told to them. They easily forget things which are told to them. And they have frequent concentration lapses. All these are dangerous signals which parents should not overlook, and they should keep a watch on their ward, maybe make discreet inquiries about what he is doing, who his friends are, what are his eating habits, what is the schedule of his day. Because if these signals, which are clear-cut symptoms that the boy or girl is on the way to getting addicted to drugs, if these signals are overlooked, then maybe tomorrow will be too late. So much for today. Tomorrow we will have a look at how to get your ward or yourselves out of this drug menace. Till then, goodbye.